Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a ash sort of pedestal, but not really a pedestal, kind of a raised bowl if you like. This is for my mother-in-law. I was asked to make one for her 70th birthday, and Debbie just wanted to do a bit of pyrography in the middle of it, so I said, yep, fair enough. You know, gotta do as you're told in circumstances like that, haven't you? So here we are with the Easy Woods rougher there, just getting the bottom a little bit square, just so I can come in and create a tenon, which I'm doing now. Just getting it to the size that I want, and there we go. I do nip in with a Easy Woods mid-size detailer there, but for some reason I missed it. Now onto the Easy Woods mid-size finishing tool, just to get some shape into this bowl. Today I did edit this video with Filmora, but I used the updated version, the 13, and I must admit I was a bit dubious, because obviously it's like anything else, it's new, things are going to not be where they were on the 12th version. But to be honest, everything's pretty much where it was, and the extra features, I still need to have a good play around with those. But there's a lot of AI stuff in there on this version, which I think will come in very handy for future videos. One thing I do like is instead of having to mess around with the thumbnail after you've uploaded, you can put one straight in as you're about to export it, and it creates the high resolution thumbnail. Anyway, so cling spore abrasives here, so from 120 grit up to 240 using the cling spore. A little bit of sanding sealer on there, and now with the Yorkshire Grit, just lathering it on. And just working it in as normal, turning that speed up. There we go. Oh, it was clean, trust me. Chestnut's Wood Wax 22, and after I apply a coat of this on, I do put the microcrystalline wax on as well. I did cut that out just to save a little bit of time on the video. And just buffing it in, and it does give you a really nice shine. I'm really happy with how this came out.
I am off to invisible grounds, don't know when to stop. Returning, it's not the way for me.
Nice. And we flipped it round, and obviously the tool of choice for hollowing out is the Easy Woods mid-size, you know it, #1 hollower. Just taking my time. Just with the rougher there, just squaring off the rim of the bowl, and back in with the #1 hollower. That's removing that material. Just as I'm editing this video, I am just creeping up to the 750 subscriber mark, and I do have a giveaway when I hit the 1,000. So hopefully in the next few weeks, couple of months, whatever it may be, there'll be a giveaway coming out. It will be a Dremel 8260 that's being given away. Like I say, when I hopefully hit that 1,000 subscriber mark.
After invisible grounds, don't know when to stop. Returning is not the way for me. Only a mile to go.
Just defining that bottom there.
I belong. I see.
And again, back to the Klingsbro abrasives. Same routine as before, 120 up to 240. I have put the sanding sealer on, and obviously now Debbie's just done a little bit of pyrography on there, just to say happy 70th. And just working in that Yorkshire Grit. And back to the Wood Wax 22. You don't need a lot of Wood Wax 22 on there, just a thin coat. Leave it on and then buff it off. And again, I did hit the microcrystalline as well at the back of this. And that's this one. And Christmas is nearly upon us, so hopefully you've all been good. If you like what you see, please hit that thumbs up and give us a comment in the comments box. That'd be great. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget that 1K giveaway will be a Dremel 8260. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Two seconds on